Here are the results from the Advanced Statistics Support Survey that we sent out last week. We had 176 responders. That's plenty big. The average number of classes that these guys took was about 4. So that's going to be the Advanced Stats 1, the ANOVA, Advanced Stats 2, Multivariate Analysis, probably the Research Design class, and Test and Measurement. So most of our responders were graduate students, which is a good sign. That means statistics is important to them. So these following categories, they're the themes from our 18-question questionnaire. We tried to gauge what the students think of their own preparedness for advanced stats. We used the Likert scale. 1 is strongly disagree, 5 is strongly agree, 3 is kind of neutral. So what we're looking at here is that they're right about the middle of the road here on their own thoughts of being prepared for advanced stats. So if they have a mean of 3.0, that tells me that almost half of the students that responded do not feel like they're ready for advanced stats. And how confident they feel about their own stat skills, again, is less than 3. So that means most of them do not feel confident in their stat skills. And the difficulty of the class, most of them do expect it to be difficult. So that means most of them agree with that statement. Okay, moving right along. The importance of statistics to Alliance students, they all thought that it was very important. Look at these means, okay? They're all 4, over 4, close to 4. So they see the importance of statistics. What the students think of their instructors is pretty high. They seem to believe that their teachers know the content knowledge really well. Their teaching ability is way within the agree, so they think that their teachers are pretty good teachers. And they plan on seeing their instructors outside of the classroom. That one kind of threw me off. But they think they're going to go see their instructors to help them through their courses, which is good. Moving on. So the student awareness of outside of the classroom supplemental instruction for stats. Okay, that's my job. And got a lot of bad numbers here. We switched to a pie chart because these were yes or no questions, most of them. So if you look at this part right here, student awareness of stats tutor support, there was a good fourth of the students that responded didn't even know that we had tutors available. And about the online support, those are the Hawk video tutorials, which we have about, 100, 200 of them. Close to 70% were unaware of that, so that's a major problem. We're going to fix that with some marketing and advertising. And the students who have used or were planning to use online stat support services is pretty darn good. It's about 72%. So, and this 28%, that kind of confused me. I don't know why everybody wouldn't use these resources. And the last thing we got here is what the dissertation students are trying to figure out. And this is what the dissertation students think of their own stat skills when it comes to their time to write the dissertation. They're very low, right? They are disagreeing with the statement that they are ready to write their own dissertation. And the stat skills for their needed to pass the methodology comp exams or any other program required exams, they think they're pretty good. Okay, it's a little bit above neutral, so they're kind of agreeing with that. And unfortunately, some of the test scores statistics aren't that good. And about how much support that they should offer, Alliance should offer the dissertation students, you got a huge response here is yes, they want more support for the graduation students. But that's it in a nutshell. And this is, again, just a test run. I hope you like it. Talk to you soon. This is Rich.